How to get a Grabpay virtual card. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a Grabpay virtual card. First, open your Grab application on your mobile device. Then tap on Finance at the bottom center of your screen. Next, tap on Let's Go to start the setup for your Grabpay virtual card. Enter your name as required to proceed. After that, go back and tap on Add a card to link a payment card if needed. Next, return to the Finance section and explore other financial services available with Grabpay later. Next, go to the Finance settings to review your information and confirm the details of your Grabpay virtual card. Finally, check your Grabpay wallet to see your newly added Grabpay virtual card. Your Grabpay virtual card is now ready for use. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.